Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace a battery on the iPhone SE 2022, also known as iPhone SE 3. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then undo two bottom screws by using a pendular screwdriver. Next, to remove the screen, apply heat to soften the glue on the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup or something similar to lift the front screen. Next, use a plastic upright tool to separate and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Carefully work around on the edges and keep in mind, do not apply too much force to lift the screen. It might damage internal flex cables. Next, remove 4 screws and take out the bracket. Next, on the top right, undo 3 screws and remove the bracket. Pull out the brackets and then undo the battery, touch and LCD connectors from the board. And then, to free the screen, disconnect the earpiece assembly connector from the board. Next, take out the battery by peeling the tapes out. There are 4 adhesive tabs, 2 on the top and 2 more on the battery's bottom side. Gently pull out the adhesive strips by using your fingers or tweezer. Now you can pull out the not working battery from the body. Next, place the new battery with adhesive. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, clamp the screen to the body. First, connect the earpiece assembly plug. And then the LCD and touch connector plug. And finally, the battery connector plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the LCD bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, secure the upper bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, test the screen and remove the protective tape. To secure the screen, click in the top section first. Then click the sides and the bottom simultaneously. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Next, secure 2 bottom screws. A quick note, it is good to check the speaker and sensor response by making a test call. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.